Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Yubo. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open the Yubo application. Firstly, you just simply have to open your Yubo app. After opening Yubo, you just simply have to open the profile of the person that you want to block, whether it's from the home feed or from your friends. It's the same process. Step 2. Block the person. Now, after opening the profile of the person that you want to block, just simply click on this icon here. After clicking there, you just simply have to click on this block option down here and select the blue block option to block the person. Then, simply click Done to confirm. And after following these very easy steps, you can block anyone in your Yubo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.